Hi, I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching conversational American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others with their pronunciation. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with our phonic blend sounds with the letters L, E, R, H, S, C, T, H, and W, R. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get the latest videos. Let's start practicing together. Please give it a try. O, circle, kettle, triangle. R, rhino, rhyme, rhombus. S, scissors, science, scenery. This, that, weather. Wrong, wrestler, right. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again soon!